How to change the password of your AOL Mails account on your mobile device. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the password of your AOL account on your mobile device. So first of all, make sure you have downloaded the AOL Mail app and you have also logged into your account. Now, once you've logged into your account, your interface will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to tap on your profile picture on the top left corner of the screen. And now, tap on Manage Accounts. Now, it'll take you to this page where, right under your name and username, you'll see an option named Account Info, so tap on it. Now, it'll take you to this page where you'll have to tap on the option Security Settings. Now, enter your device PIN. Now you'll be taken to this page where if you scroll down, you'll see an option named Password, and just right to the option, you'll see the option in blue, Change Password, so tap on it. And now create a new password for your account which you want to change. So now once you've entered a new password for your account, simply tap on Continue. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the password of your AOL Mails account. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.